Hi guys, I am making a little instructional video for you to help you set up your color wheel for while I am gone. So what we are going to be doing today is setting up our color wheels. We're going to be collaging together these color wheels from magazines, and we'll be finding all these colors like you would find them in real life and in the real world. So our color wheels are going to contain our three primary colors, yellow, blue, and red. They're going to have our three secondary colors, green, orange, and violet. And they're also going to have our tertiary colors, which are yellow, green, yellow, orange, red, violet, blue, green. Did I start with this one? Yellow, green. So you will have a grand total of 12 sections, 12 pie pieces in your color wheel. And I'm going to help you get that set up today. Mr. Phillips will pass out to each of you a sheet of paper that is 12 inches by 12 inches square. In your first step, you are going to fold this piece of paper in half. It's a square, so like hot dog, hamburger, it's the same thing. Fold it in half. And then you'll take this and you'll fold it in half again. When you unfold it, you'll have some beautiful crease marks in your paper. And just like so. So once you get your beautiful folds in, what you're going to do is you are going to, at your table, I of course am going to do it on the whiteboard so you can see, you are going to take a ruler and a pencil, and I want you to trace over those fold marks. Like so. So traced over those fold marks. Okay, and we'll add a little bit closer so the next part is easier to see. Now, there are some times in this class where you have to be precise and exact, like when we were measuring for where you wanted to punch your holes for your sketchbook. We had to be really precise about that. This one, not as important that you're precise, but I'll show you some pro tips for this. We have this piece of paper divided up into 4 right now, and we want to have 12 pie pieces for our color wheels. So what you need to do next is you need to divide this into 3 sections, 3 sections, 3 sections, 3 sections to get all 12 pieces. Here's my pro tip for you. You are going to lay your ruler down across your piece of paper, and you want to make sure that it crosses through the center. Now, this doesn't have to be perfect. You can just do your best and make your best guesses. It's about 2 inches from where your ruler is to where the center line is. Do your best. It's not that big of a deal. So long as you end up with 12 mostly even segments, you'll be fine. And of course, you're using a pencil with an eraser, so you can always erase it too. So again, I'm gonna have my ruler line up. It's gonna cross through the center. The distance between the edge of my ruler and this pie piece, let me make that maybe a little bit smaller, about 2 inches, give or take. I'll draw my line across. I'll rotate it this way. So about 2-ish inches from my ruler to where the center point is. I'm making sure that it crosses through the very center. I'll draw my straight line across. And I've got just one more line to draw. I'm gonna look from this side to where the ruler is. It's about-ish, 2-ish inches, give or take. And I've got it pretty close. Here, I'll hold it closer to the camera. 12 relatively pretty even segments. If you need to erase, it's really not that big of a deal, I promise. What is really important, even if your pie pieces are maybe slightly different sizes, you have to arrange your color wheel in the correct order. It's really, really important because our color wheels are how we as artists understand relationships between and among colors. It's really important that you put these in the correct order, and the correct order is going to tell you like where complementary color sets, gross, sorry, I had to burp, where complementary color sets are, where warm colors are, where cool colors are, and having these in the correct order is really important. So there are little guides that we can pass out for one per each table, and it will show you, but if you think about it like a clock, there's 12 sections on this, there's 12 numbers on a clock face. If you start with yellow, you're going to work your way around in clockwise order. So you'll go yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, green, blue, blue, violet, violet, red, violet, red. My son Mark just came in. Okay, red. Red, orange, orange, and yellow orange. And those are all 12 of your colors. Now, from here, you're not going to get collage stuff out today. You'll save that for when I'm back on Thursday. But a couple of things for you to note about our color wheels. These are going to be worth 36 points. There are each of your pie pieces, 12 pie pieces. Each of your pie pieces is worth 3 points. So, is it the correct color in the correct spot? Is that pie piece completely covered with color? And is everything glued down really well? Those are the 3 things that I'm looking for in creating your color wheels. You will be gluing down the little sections on your color wheels. We'll open up the magazine stores and we'll be making lots of mess for this. Yeah, color wheels, getting them set up. Today you're just folding your sections, making your 12 little pie pieces, and correctly labeling all of your colors. And then that's all of the things for today. Okay, see you tomorrow.